A North Phoenix piano teacher is celebrating a student who's making music history by literally playing through adversity in its uplifting Arizona. For Rory Dowse, every lesson starts with the same belief that music can take you places even if the person on the other side of the screen is 5,000 miles away.
To be able to achieve any skill, there is a price of entry, and the price of entry is a lot of work over a period of many years.
From his North Phoenix home, Rory has spent the last 6 years teaching a young pianist in Northern Ireland named Freya Terris, a student whose journey would eventually make history.
The Scots-Irish motto is always persevere through adversity, and that's what Freya did.
2 years ago, the music stopped. An injury and surgery left Freya unable to use her right hand, forcing her to step away from the piano she loved.
For sure, the first time ever, piano wasn't on the forefront because there were so many basic things that needed to come first.
For years, she had her sights set on the Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music's highest graded piano exam. But with only one good hand, that dream seemed to have vanished.
She was discouraged. She had her heart set on it for so many years.
Most would see a roadblock. Freya and Rory saw a different route.
I think it's fair to say it was exciting for both of us because it's something he's never taught before.
Together, through online lessons, they honed in on her one good hand, developing a new repertoire and approaching the ABRSM about allowing her to take the exam using only one hand.
They were fabulous. They were really helpful.
On the day of her exam, she didn't just pass, she earned distinction, becoming the first person in its 137-year history to achieve grade 8 piano performing entirely with one hand.
In a way, I found a really cool sort of niche.
For Rory, the lesson goes beyond music. It's about refusing to let circumstances decide what's possible.
Obstacles are an opportunity to find creative solutions. That's where the magic happens.
I'm ABC15's Cameron Poland, and that's Uplifting Arizona.